Okay, spit. Yep.
And you can go
Okay.
a little bit
Okay.
back.
Away, yeah.
Then, yeah.
But they're very friendly guys, so.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
These are the
Yeah.
boys and they're the girls.
Here.
Because at the moment we don't want to have babies.
Okay.
They are pregnant for about 1 year and a baby in the winter is not good for them.
Okay.
So we wait until summer and then next summer there will be baby.
Okay.
They're cute.
Yes.
You also can sneak in there.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Sind welche drin dann?
Yeah, if you want more photos, let me know.
We also can go there.
We can go to the yard.
Oh, where is it? Oh, where is it?
Good. Love it.
That's cool. You can feed her if you want.
Okay. Hey.
But be careful for the boss lady.
Oh yeah. Good time.
I'm okay. I'm videotaping.
They won't do you anything.
Oh no, it's okay.
They just give me the bottle and I can put a few out it.
Yeah, the baby and Feta and Pearl's probably still eating her lunch though. Yeah, yeah.
No, just let me in.
Easier to undo from that side.
So where the baby? Where the baby? Better you come with me. Go, go. One baby.
Oh look.
Better go. Okay, I'll take one and then
The goats are escape artists, so we have to be really careful. Tony, get your nose out of there. You have to be really stubborn, and when they move as a herd, it's quite a force.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine.
So you have
Yes?
go on, puppy. Do you have both babies there? I think. I don't see the other one here. We'll have to lift it. On the count of 3, we're going to do nice and loud and happy. Or release the goats. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Release the goats!
Release the goats.
Okay. Come on.
Okay.
Talk over the little water stand. No. Good boy. Yeah.
Here, Kevin, your photo. Yeah. He didn't look like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we showed you their process.
Yeah. Is that big farm?
No, it's 47 acres, so water side of here, and they have 7 horses and donkeys. Hey! So 4 donkeys and 3 horses. So
Donkey.
some pictures. And videos. Back at that's Lucy May.
That's the new.
Yeah, she will come back in spring. So she's just away for seeing.
Fishy.
This is my area here. Is it?
I love
This
it.
is my area.
It's so cool. I'm always in here. Most of the time. Just have to fix this one.
Here I can throw this out.
Yeah, I can.
Thank you.